Experiencing issues logging into your Rogers Bank account? This video will guide you through common solutions. The main reasons for login errors are incorrect passwords, issues with two-factor authentication, 2FA, or an outdated app. We will focus on password resets, 2FA fixes, and ensuring your app is up to date. For password resets, access the login screen and tap Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and create a new strong password. For two-factor authentication issues, ensure your device has a stable internet connection and that your phone number or authenticator app is correctly linked. If codes expire quickly, request a new one. Consider switching to an authenticator app if SMS codes fail. To ensure your app is up to date, open your App Store, search for the Rogers Bank app, and tap Update if available. For future ease, enable automatic updates in your device settings. These steps can resolve most login problems quickly and securely. If problems persist, contact support to rule out account lockouts or fraud alerts. If you've forgotten your password or suspect it's incorrect, start with a password reset. Use the Forgot Password option in the Rogers Bank app or website. Next, address two-factor authentication issues. The Rogers Bank app requires mandatory 2FA. Ensure your method is set up correctly in the app's security settings. Use SMS codes or an authenticator app and enter codes promptly as they expire quickly. For app updates, enable auto updates in your device's app store. On Android, select over Wi-Fi only or over any network. On iOS, enable automatic updates for iOS and security responses. Alternatively, manually check for updates. Keeping the app updated ensures compatibility and patches security vulnerabilities.